If you have been yearning to legally migrate to Canada with your family, this video that you're about to watch could be the beginning of your journey to Canada. By the time you finish watching this video, you will have enough information on how you and your family can legally migrate to Canada. Within 3 years of moving to Canada, you will have the opportunity to apply for Canadian citizenship and enjoy the privileges that comes with being a Canadian. One of the most common feedbacks that I often get from those who watch my video is the difficulties they face trying to get jobs back in their home country. This video addresses that. Why? This program that I'm about to reveal to you, you do not need to have a job offer in your home country. I know you're saying now, what did you say? You will be able to move to Canada without needing to have a job offer in your home country. I am so super excited to be dropping this video, which this information that just been released in Canada less than 9 hours ago, and I'm giving it straight to you. Okay, listen, if you are coming across my video for the first time, my name is Francis AZ. I do videos on migration. If you're looking to legally migrate through student routes, skilled workers, unskilled workers, this is the place to be. We will help you fulfill your dream. We release 2 to 3 videos every week on legal migration through the different options. Our main objective is to make sure that our people do not have to pay thousands of pounds to agents to migrate when they can do this themselves. Okay? So it is therefore in your best interest for you to subscribe to this channel, because immigration policy is dynamic, fluid, and changes rapidly. Everything changes rapidly. If you are not informed, when information comes out that will benefit you or your loved ones or somebody that you will miss out on it. So you're not doing me anything for your own good, for you to subscribe to this channel, follow up on our Facebook and YouTube page. That's all my advice for you if you want to legally migrate. Now, what is the good news that I have for you today, my people? The good news that I have for you today is the Manitoba Skilled Worker Overseas Program. Manitoba Skilled Worker Overseas Category. This program was just been announced less than 8 hours ago, as I said before, and here I am bringing it to you. My team and I were working tirelessly to make sure that as the information is released, you have it and you'll be the first to take advantage of it. How does it work? It's very, very simple. In order for you, if you're 45 and above, I'm sorry, this is not for you. But I promise I will come up with something that is for you. But this one is not for you. It's for anyone between the age of 21 to 45. It's not me. I'm not, before you accuse me of age discrimination, it's not me. That is the Manitoba Authority. Anyone between the age of 21 to 45, you have a minimum of secondary diploma. You are adaptable, employable, and you have level 5 in either French or English, you're good to go. You need a minimum of 60 points out of 100 for you to qualify for this program. So if you have the age, language qualification, you're adaptable, employable, educational qualification, you're good to go. If you have studied in Manitoba either briefly, did a few months course in Manitoba, that would enhance your chances. Or if you have friends or family members in Manitoba and they are willing to endorse your application, that could also enhance your chances. However, if you do not know anyone in Manitoba and you have the points that are due, the 60 points, you still have a good chance because this policy is solely driven by the economic needs of the province of Manitoba. Okay? That is the first part. So, once you have the 5 criteria that I've just talked about, if I were you, the first thing I would do, I would do my express interest in relocating to Manitoba. I want to be very clear. This policy is only for Manitoba, and you have to be genuinely committed to going to Manitoba to work, at least work and live there for minimum of 2 years. If you have your Canadian resident, you're not under any restriction. You can go to anywhere you want. But the first 2 years, you stay there. 2 years, it's a nice place, okay? So once you've done your expressed interest to relocate to Manitoba, what will then happen is your application will go into a pool with other people that have expressed their own interests. The authorities in Manitoba will go through those pools. They will use the criteria that I've just mentioned, the age, employability, adaptability, things like language proficiency, adaptable, whether you are adaptable. They use those 5 criteria to determine the highest ranking applicants will be selected and asked to apply for Canadian permanent resident. That is as simple as that. You don't have to do anything more. That is it. Simple as that. You're good to go. Okay? So, once you've done that, you're good to go. You don't have to do anything more. You can do this program and apply for other programs. So the more program you apply for, the better your chances. What I'm going to show you now in this video, I'm going to show you the list of the shortage of occupation in Manitoba. The list is endless. There is something from everyone, from accountant to engineer to those that work in human resources. There is something for everyone there. So I'll show you the list, and I will leave on the description of this video, I'm going to leave the link in the description so you can read it yourself. Okay? So I'm going to show you the video. If you know anyone whose profession falls on the criteria that you're going to see, or anyone that is between the age of 21 to 45, someone who has level 5 in language proficiency test in French or English, someone that you think is employable because they have the experience, they have the qualification, someone that you think is adaptable, please share this video with them. There is love in sharing. You could be part of the person's story, success story. So please share with them and tell your friends and family members. It is in their best interest to subscribe to Launch Club. Why? Because we release the most up-to-date information. Because if you ask us questions on our comment section, we'll respond. Because we are not here to misinform you. We are not here to exploit you. We are here to give you the information. You apply for your Canadian settlement or the other countries we do. You move. You might not even remember me when you get to Canada. You won't even remember me. So subscribe to the Launch Club. Tell your friends and families because Launch Club is changing lives. So let me show you. Okay, so what you do is you just type in Manitoba skilled workers overseas category. It comes up. You can click the first one. Comes up. Let's see what we've got here. So this is the program I've been telling you about. See, that's the name of the program. Okay. So foreign workers who have a connection, that's there. Manitoba workers So this is something that I want you to explain, which is what I said at the beginning, which is Manitoba. The Manitoba Skilled Workers Overseas is based on the needs of the Manitoban economy and local employers. This is a point-based immigration category. So this is the policy. So I want this video to be very short. So I'm just going to show you key things. I'm going to leave this on the description so you can have a look. So you need to be between the age of 21 to 45, demonstrate employability and adaptability. Okay, so you need to have level 5 in either French or English, and you show that you're genuinely intent to settle in Manitoba. A settled plan is required and that your connection to Manitoba. So you have to show them that you're not just coming to Manitoba, using Manitoba to come to Canada, and you don't want to stay there. So the 5 sectors that you must meet is language. You need level 5 in either French or English. Age, you need to be between 21 to 45. Work experience, education, and adaptability. Are the 5 things that you need to meet. And I'm just going to quickly show you the key things that I think you need to be aware of. Okay. Okay. So this is the current Manitoba occupation in demand. Okay. So you've got finance. Under finance, you've got lots of things, but we don't have time to be going through everything here. So what you can do, you can go through it yourself. You got insurance, real estate, and whatever. Okay, so anything when you open this, it shows you. I want to show you something. Anything you see that I say not eligible for SWO, it means that it's not eligible. If you have, for example, if you are other administrative service manager, it means that your skill is not part of the program. So everything is here. Health, you got the list here. Dietitian and pharmacist and everything. We don't have time to be going through it. You can go through it yourself. So these are the main category. You have engineering, you've got agricultural and science manager, computing and information system manager, biologist and related science, agricultural, civil engineer. The list is endless. Mathematics teachers, scientician, everything is here. As I said before, if you click on one, you want to see what is at the bottom, you just click on it like that, it'll come up. Okay, so let's quickly go to the bottom because we don't have time to go through everything. So this is everything here on the list. But like I said, we don't have time to be going through. You got health, you got occupation and social science, education, government. If you know anyone whose skill is on this profession, please share this video with them. This could be the beginning of their journey to Canada, and I would strongly recommend and advise to you that it is in your own best interest that you subscribe to this channel. If you are looking for a way to legally migrate, you want to make sure that you stay informed. There is a story on Sky News today about Nigerians and other Africans who paid more than £12,000 to come to the UK. They paid to an agent who did not have any job for them. There is nothing as good as you getting a job or you doing everything yourself from your home country without spending money. You need to be patient. You need to be strategic. That is the best way. As I said, this is the program. This program was only released 24 hours ago. I'm here doing the video, doing the hard work to make everything easy for you. So make sure you share this good news with your friends and family. Tell them to follow Launch Club on social media sites such as uh, Facebook and YouTube. If they want to migrate, this is the channel that they have to follow. I will be releasing another video on other policies in Canada. I've got a team of dedicated guys that look for opportunities to migrate in the Western countries, mainly English-speaking country and Europe. We are there bringing you the information, doing the hard work to make sure that you do not have to spend thousands of pounds to an agent for you to migrate. We are releasing another video every 2 days. I'll be releasing another one. So make sure you share this video with your friends and family. This is a new policy and a lot of them will benefit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you on my next video. Thanks for all your support and I pray that your dream comes true. God bless.